As everyone is aware by now, the requirements put in place to protect us from COVID-19 has affected activities such as college sports, hanging out with friends, going to the movies, and many more. One upside is campus parking.
It was terrible. The parking lot was so full. It was so crowded. I couldn't find anywhere to park. It was a disaster. It got better, and so I think it'll just be easier to be able to park where I need to, so it's easier to get to class faster.
Many students will tell you how difficult it was to find a parking spot on campus during the school year. Now that classes have been moved online, parking is a breeze. Want to park front row, double park, or horizontally for some reason? There's no guarantee you won't get dirty looks walking in, but there's the space to do it. Campus police will also be happy about the empty parking lot, as students won't pretend they didn't see the 30-minute parking sign right above their spot.
Yeah, I had a friend who could not find a parking spot, so she parked in 30-minute parking and got a ticket. I also did that a lot, and I got several tickets.
Students such as Ryan Wallace describe how not having to find parking before classes has affected his day, even comparing that to the problems with Zoom and Canvas.
If I had to pick a struggle, I would choose to deal with Zoom because even though it's difficult and frustrating, it's a lot better than not being able to find parking because everything's right in front of you on your laptop. So it's just if you can figure out the technical things, I feel like that's a little bit easier than if you don't have parking, you're kind of just screwed.
Parking at JCCC is the best. It's so easy.
Reporting from the empty parking lot of JCCC, this has been Paige Winters.